Hi everyone, my name is Zino and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're fulfilling a viewer's request by installing both Plex and Kodi on the Zidoo media player. This is going to be a quick tutorial, so let's dive in right away. And I know some of you might think that the Zidoo media player is primarily designed for local content and not streaming apps. While that may be true, the specs on this device are far superior to those on the Fire Stick, Google Chromecast, or similar streaming devices. Not everyone has the luxury to buy both, so I completely understand why there's curiosity about installing streaming apps on the Zidoo media player. So it's actually very easy to install additional APKs Android applications on the Zidoo media player. You'll either need a USB stick or an SMB server. I've already downloaded the two files. I will leave the links in the description so you can go ahead and download them for yourself. After that, place them either on a USB stick or your SMB server. So you have a few options here. Go into your apps, click on APK installer. If you have the USB stick hooked up, you can go ahead and install it through here. You also have a web installer. I did not try this because I already did the SMB server. Going back for the SMB, this is how I did it. Go to File Manager and select your SMB location. I've placed it right here. Let's start off with Plex. Click on it. It's going to stage the app. Just wait patiently. And it's going to pop up this message. Click on install. And that's done. Let's go ahead and install Kodi right away. And install. And that's it. Let's go ahead and open up Kodi. Let's hit continue and allow access. And this is going to be the newest Kodi version. And that's it. That's how easy it is. And now if you wish, you can add your add-ons and everything else. So I'm not going to go ahead and install add-ons here, but I believe it runs good, but you go ahead and see for yourself. Let's go ahead and test out Plex. Go to your apps, and here you'll find Plex and Kodi. Where's Kodi? There is Kodi, and there's Plex. Let's open up Plex, and this is how it will look like. So I don't have an account, so for me, I'm not using Plex myself, so I can't really help you out here. But I don't know if we can even play something without signing. Oh, we can. That's cool. I've actually never even used Plex. So yeah, Plex is working just fine. Just need to go ahead and see what the controls are because I'm not familiar with Plex at all. But again, if you're only looking to stream applications, then this definitely isn't the right fit. Go for a cheaper version. If you're looking for local content and you would like to have some streaming applications on the side, then that might be a good choice for you. But definitely all the apps are working on it. And if you by any chance want to delete any applications, just go to settings, go to other, go all the way down, click on about, click on advanced settings, and here you'll be taken to the Android menu. Go to apps, and here you can actually uninstall Kodi or Plex. That's how easy it is. That being said, thank you all for watching. If you have any feedback for me, let me know in the comment section. And don't forget, I'll see you in the next one.